Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Making Investments Simple and yet another review of Money Tree Robo Pro app. And today I'm going to show you how you can utilize this app for your intraday strategies and some loopholes you need to be aware of. Now, as I told you, no app is perfect, 100% perfect. This app basically is a combination of few indicators, some indicators, or even a lot of indicators like pivot table strategy. You can actually go and review my other video about the pivot trading strategy too to know about it, and the 200-day moving average, and there are a lot of other indicators. So this app gives you a one complete package of most of the indicators, and from the indicators what it tells. So many people think that technical analysis, fundamental analysis are important, and they are very important. So people get into the fight between technical analysis or fundamental analysis. However, you need to remember that these are just analysis. That actually means that this analysis doesn't mean that you can make money. How you use this analysis is very important, and that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video, and also how you use this app for your advantage. So um, during the day and intraday trading, probably at once the market opens 9:15, around 10 o'clock you would see some signals on this app. So you need to clear, you can go on the sectors, and for example you would be interested in banking, so you can click on banking sector here and you will see the complete banking sector stocks here from A to whatever alphabet you have it. So um, yes bank, yes till Y. So what it does is it will give you the signal here. That means short term sell means it's a short term sell. So intraday you cannot take a position like that. Neutral, 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 and downtrend, short term. In if you are trading intraday, generally you should not take this position. You can however take an F&O short sell position with a hedging position in options or something, but I'll come back to it on a later video. But again, long term sell is also similar to it, and so right now it's not showing any intraday signal as such because today markets are closed, but you would see intraday buy and jackpot buy. So these are two different indicators. Now intraday buy is an indicator which is generated based on the current trend and the current buyers and sellers on a particular stock. So intraday buy and jackpot buy are two different things. You should know the difference between it. Now intraday buy, both are intraday signals. Please do remember that. However, jackpot buy is more probable. That is, the probability ratio of a jackpot buy is more than intraday buy, because I have taken a position based on Vedanta, which actually showed intraday sell, and same goes with Tata Steel. And what actually happened was, one of the signals, it was based on the trend sellers, the volume on sellers, it gave you the intraday sell. So what I'm trying to tell you here is the jackpot buy, jackpot, whenever you say jackpot buy or jackpot sell, that actually would be a more concrete signal to tell you that yes, this is a good place where you can actually buy. Now intraday sell is less probable, but based on the current buyers and sellers, it's you can still make an intraday position. And I would still say that either you hedge your position with a call if it is a sell, or if it is a buy, then buy a nearest put for protection. So and try to exit the positions in the same day whenever you get intraday sell or intraday buy, because the next day signals will be different. So but jackpot buy and jackpot sell basically gives you a short term trend also within, you can say, take it for 5 days too. But however, you should not take any positions um, for um, for a month, especially if you are very near to expiry, I wouldn't suggest you to take carry over this positions till the expiry date. That's much more of a gambling, because you are actually taking a chance. This is a big risk, because the time decay plays a big factor here when it is close to expiry. So that's my views on intraday buy and jackpot buy, intraday and jackpot signals, what you get from this app. So this is the way I showed you. That's the way you should actually select the stocks which you want to trade on intraday or a short term positional basis, and you can use it for other sectors too, finance sector or IT sector, things like that. So hope you enjoyed this video. I will create more videos on how to use this app very soon, and then you would be able to get more inputs on it. So this app is actually available in Google Play Store. You can install it. Some of the features are available for free. I'm still using the free version. To get the full version, you these kind of versions like auto signal live. Okay, well, there are some features which are available only in the paid version. So you can actually install it and go through my videos to get more info on it, and also you can also go to the owner's YouTube channel too to get more info, and you can ask questions too. All right. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for listening to this video. And if you have any questions or clarifications, please do comment below on this particular video, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.